Okay, last box of the night. It is Optic Baseball 2019. First box was not a hot box. It was a decent box. I felt like it was anyway. I think it was better than my Allen and Ginter boxes have been. But there's always room for improvement, and maybe we'll get a hot box here. I don't know. Let's see. Like the Allen and Ginter, the first box, I went really slow so we could really get a look at all the players and the stuff. And I did that with Optic too, but with the second box, this is the second time around, I try to go a little bit faster so the video won't be quite so long. You've had a look at the base cards and the inserts. Obviously, I'll stop and show anything that's new and different, but we'll probably go a little bit faster through the base cards. Because I appreciate that you like me, but I'm sure you don't like me that much. You're ready to move on and see some other breaks. Millions of cards in the world, not just mine. Alright, let's do this. Man, I'd love to score a hot box. Throwing that out into the universe if you want to respond. Pujols, Lindor, Mystical Mike Trout, and De Los Santos. I'm guessing we don't. Especially, well, it would depend on the autographs. One of the options is 5 hot box options is 5 autographs. The other is 20 numbered parallels. I'm assuming that if you get that, the latter, you would get 1 numbered parallel per pack. So if you start off without any, you're not getting that. We are starting off with an autograph though, a Garrett Hampson rated rookie. That is on card, and this is numbered to 99. So I guess 5 autographs is still on the table. Well, let's see where we go from here. Caleb Ferguson, rated rookie prism, and Bryce Wilson, rated rookie. Hang on, sorry, my fan's blowing this box around. It's going to be distracting as hell. Alright, let's do it this way. Votto, Bellinger, Josh James, the rookies, and Tatis Jr. I don't think I got a Vlad Jr. in the first box, so it'd be nice to see him make an appearance here. Crawford, Bryce Harper, Prism, Manny Machado, Action All-Stars, and Taylor Hearn, rookie. Ohtani, Goldschmidt, parallel, numbered to 99. Ichiro MVP, and Urias, rated rookie. Newcomb, Robles, a Blake Snell Diamond Kings Prism, and Eloy Jimenez, rated rookie. Freddie Freeman, Barrios, MVP, Pedroia, and Garrett Hampson. I'm thinking this is not a hot box. I think we would have pulled another autograph by now. So, with that being the case, we're still looking for one more. Rhys Hoskins, Garrett Cole, JD Martinez, Action All-Stars, and Corbin Burns, rated rookie. Maybe one in here. Manny Machado, 4 out of 7. Ivan Rodriguez, what? Now that is sweet. That is 4 out of 7 on card autograph of Pudge. That's pretty nice. That is pretty sweet. Wow. Obviously, Mike Piazza is my favorite catcher, but Pudge was pretty good too. Nice, that was really nice. Another Kikuchi Prism. I got the regular rated rookie Prism version of him in the first box, and now I have the rookies version. So that's pretty sweet too. Encarnacion, Molina, Wander Franco, rated prospect. Those aren't too easy to get. I don't think I got a rated prospect in the first box. Trevor Story, Diamond Kings. Cano, Freeland Prism, Peak Performers, Aaron Nola, and Javier Baez, Diamond Kings. Blackman, Talion, Illusions, Chris Bryant. I like these. I bet these look good in Prism version. And Mancini, Diamond Kings. Acuna, Arenado, Peak Performers, Josh Hader. I got that in the first box. And Alex Bregman, Diamond Kings, which I also got in the first box. Realmuto, Giancarlo, MVP, Mike Trout, Prism. An O'Hearn. Ramos, Scherzer, Mythical, Chris Bryant, and another Kikuchi rookie. Rated rookie. That's what I got in the first box. So now I have two. Mitch Haniger, Astudillo, Pink, Velocity to 199. Tuki Toussaint, the rookies, and Reed Foley, rated rookie. 4 more packs. Aaron Judge, Clayton Kershaw, James Paxton highlights, Mookie Betts, Diamond Kings. Fulte, Cedric Mullins, Velocity Pink, Fernando Tatis Jr., the rookies, and Cal Quantrill, rated rookie. Salvador Perez, Syndergaard, Kevin Newman, Prism, and Dakota Hudson. And our last pack. Brian Anderson, Benintendi, Prism, MVP Mookie Betts, and Acuna, Diamond Kings. I got the Prism version of that in box 1, which you probably already know if you watched that video. Okay, real quick, since I made it through that faster than I thought I was going to, 2 things I want to say, if you're still with me. One is, I want to apologize again for not having enough time to respond to comments. Somebody called me out on it the other day, and like, they were completely right. You know I say it all the time that my time's limited because I work so much, and I do, but I read the comments, but I just don't have enough time to answer them all. If you ever really want to say something, like ask me a question or whatever, you feel free to use one of the email addresses, the email address below. It may take me a little while to get back to you, but I will get back to you. I've been feeling like really guilty about that lately. Hopefully one day it will change. In all honesty, I probably should give up the hobby because I don't have time for it, but I don't think I can let it go. I just love it too much. And and if that means I have to make some sacrifices in order to keep having a little bit of time for it, then I guess I just have to. I don't know. I'm doing the best I can. I don't want to stop. I love my cards. Can't foresee a time where I ever will not love them, and it's like the best hobby in the world. So anyways, now I'm blabbing on. The other thing is, what I've been doing with, because I'm overrun with cards, I probably have about 1 million cards now, no joke. So what I've been doing is, when I open these boxes, and I've told you guys before, I sell cards on eBay to make money to buy more boxes to help offset the cost of my spending. But the other problem I've been having is not just spending, but because I have so many cards, I've been doing my best not to add any more cards to my shelves, unless it's something that's going in my personal collection and going to be kept. either for good or, you know, temporarily, whatever. But so, in an effort to keep that under control, whenever I open boxes like this of new product, I will be selling all of the base cards as one lot on eBay. The link below to my eBay store is down there, so if you ever see me open something and you know you're making the set, buying a lot of the base cards is an extremely cheap, affordable way to get a lot of cards to go towards your set for nowhere near the price of what it costs to open these boxes. I start these lots off like dirt cheap, and honestly just let them sell for whatever, just to recoup some of the price, but mainly to make sure they don't go onto my shelves. I don't have any more room at this point. So again, if you ever are making a set, you can also email me direct before I get this on eBay and maybe make an offer, and we can just do something direct through PayPal, and I'll just get the cards right to you and we'll skip eBay altogether. So just remember, from now going forward to the end of time, that's always going to be an option for you. And that's it. I'm going to shut my yapper. I hope you all have a good night. I love you guys. And remember, if I can't respond and to all your comments or whatever, it doesn't mean I don't care. I truly do care. I just am trying to do the best I can to get all of my work done and not get fired and still be a part of this hobby that I love so much. So that's it. Love you guys. Take care. I'll be back soon.